Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Boitshwarelo Graffius. Just call me Bowie. Boitshwarelo is a very long name and it's gonna be difficult for other people. Just call me Bowie. There we go. But as you know, my channel is about cooking, but I'm also in the healthy side. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon water the correct way. Lemon water has health benefits such as aids in digestion, boosts immune system, help treat kidney stones, promote weight loss. Believe me when I say it, I lost like 10 pounds since I started using the lemon water, and it relieves fatigue and so forth. So there is something, guys, that I would like you to keep in mind. All opinions and thoughts are all mine. The information provided in this video is for general purposes only. So make sure you guys, before you start any lemon water, you consult your physician or your professional consultant. I'm not a physician. I'll just use this for general purposes only. So in here I have 2 lemons. I soaked them like 30 minutes in the vinegar, distilled vinegar, white vinegar. I have 4 bottles of water. I have the juicer, I have the microplane, and I have the knife and the cutting board. So I'm going to rinse these lemons and I'll be there. Zest from the lemon and add it to the water. Make sure, guys, you wash your lemons thoroughly. Make sure before you remove the zest. You know, nowadays there are a lot of pesticides being used in fruits and stuff like that. I'm going to slice the lemon and add it to the water. The lemon, I cut it in half, squeeze out the juices. Then I'll add lemon juice to the water. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, and give me a thumbs up. If you like the video, please comment down below and let me know how you like your lemon water. Adios.